Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shilpa Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Seven Archangels Urgent Message for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, na spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe niyo na po ako dyan. And of course, this is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, umpisahan na for 7 Archangels Urgent Messages for the sign of Pisces. Angel Spirit, ano ang pinakamensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? Pisces, there's a Two of Pentacles, there's a balance, no? Kailangan mo raw maging balance dito. And there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a balance, and of course, there's a big money coming in for you, or there's a big opportunity or material offer, no? May panibagong eksena raw dito na magdadala sa iyo ng balance. And of course, there's an Hermit card. There's a soul searching, no? Or soul enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dito by your soul. So what is additional messages? There's a 10 of Wands. Matatapos ay obligations. Matatapos na yung responsibilities, no? Kumbaga, there's a lot of burden. Grabe. And of course, there's a Chariot card, no? There's an action or there's a moving on. Or may paggalaw na ng eksena. And of course, there's a 5 of Cups. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na wag mo nang panghinayangan, no? May mga bagay na nang nangyari na from the past na kailangan mo na mag-take ng action, no? May mga bagay na hindi na natin kayang ibalik at may mga kailangan na nating i-proceed at kalimutan yung mga bagay na nagbigay sa atin ng disappointment and regret. And of course, there's a 5 of Pentacles. Magdadala daw to sa'yo ng balance pagdating sa finances, financial loss, no? Nagkaroon ka ng financial loss dito from the past few weeks. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, baka magdala sa'yo ng balance pagdating sa finances. Baka nasobrahan ka sa gastos, nasobrahan ka sa bills, nasobrahan ka sa etc. Kung ano man ang pinagbibili mo sa buhay mo. And of course, there's a Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make, no? Kailangan mo nang magdesisyon, no? Kailangan mong or there's an indecision dito na hindi ka makapagdesisyon. Pero kailangan mo maging mautak at maging matalino sa pagdedesisyon pagdating sa finances. What is the Hermit card? There's a King of Wands. There's a control, no? Kailangan kontrolado mo yung emotions mo. And of course, your spirituality. What is the Ten of Wands? There's a Justice card. There's a good karma for you. At makukuha mo yun na yung hostisya sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo mo, sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo. So, what is the Chariot card? There's a Two of Wands, no? There's a two-path, no? May kailangan kang pagdesisyonan dito kung saan kang journey, no? Tatahaking mo kung backing forward, kung babalik ka ba sa eksena or magmo-moving forward ka. There's a 222 angels number. And of course, there's a 4 of Wands. There's a celebration, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na pagdating sa celebration, kumbaga mag-ingat-ingat, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon kasi ng regret diyan kasi gumastos ka ng malaki, gumastos ka ng ganito, ganyan. Tapos after ng ganyan, problema naman, di ba? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging wise ka na dito. And of course, the Four of Wands, sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka sa mga gala o rampa or something na trouble na ano dito, baka may pagsisihan ka dyan. So what is the Two of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles? There's a Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation. Okay, sinasabi dito, there's a manifestation. May manifest ka raw, ha? So what is the Ace of Pentacles? Okay, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning coming in for you. Magdadala sa inyo ng fresh start o pagbabago. Kumbaga itong decision na to, yung magbibigay sa iyo ng mga bagong idea. Magdadagdag sa iyo at the same time, diyan mo makukuha tong material offer na to. What is the Hermit card and the King of Wands? There's a full card. There's a leap of faith. There's a new beginning, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na, nandyan ang pagbabago, nandyan ang simula, no? Sa eksena na yun, kailangan makontrol mo. What is the Ten of Wands and the Justice? There's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition, your gut feeling, no? Kumbaga, makinig ka sa inyong intuition. Some of you, baka lagi ka, kumbaga napapagod ka na, kailangan mo ng pahinga, no? It's bad. Kailangan mo magpahinga. So, what is the Chariot card and the Two of Wands? There's a Page of Wands. There's a good news. Okay, meron ako nasa-sense dito, guys, ha? Mag-ingat kayo sa biyahe. Okay, lalo-lalo na yung mga nagmumotor. Mag-ingat po. What is the Five of Cups and the Four of Wands? Okay, there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's a practicality about sa finances, no? Baka pagsisihan mo, yun yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Kailangan control mo kung paano mo igagastos yung pera mo. Baka at the end of the time, pagsisihan mo na, ay dapat pala hindi ko muna binili ng ganito, ay hindi ko pala dapat ginastos sa ganito. Kumbaga, dun na, di ba? Kumbaga, wala ka na magagawa pag nangyari na yon. So, this is it. Before na mangyari yan, kailangan pag-isipan mo muna na maraming beses bago ka mag-take ng action pagdating sa mga kagastusan. So, what is the Two of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles? Okay, what is additional messages? There's a Moon card, there's a revelation. There's an unexpected, sorry. Okay, sinasabi sa'yo dito na mayroong unexpected daw na mangyayari dito. Parang turning event, something na parang from loss, from win, to ganun to. From loss to win, parang ganun. Parang after mong mawalan, kumbaga bigla ka magkakaroon. Or ganun na nangyayari sa'yo. Nawawalan ka, tas nagkakaroon, nagkakaroon. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo maging balance, no? Kumbaga, what is the Ace of Pentacles and the Two of Swords, Ace of Wands? Parang revelation kasi sinasabi ng the Moon card. So, ibig sabihin may revelasyon. Yung ways mo kung how to spend money. At the same time, there's the Wheel of Fortune and the Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon kasi sa self-sabotage, no? Kumbaga, the Wheel of Fortune, may magandang kapalaran sa'yo o magandang swerte na papasok sa'yo. Pero, suddenly, na minsan kasi yung gastos natin natutuloy-tuloy. So, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. So, imbis na iipon mo or savings mo, yung iba, nabibilang mo na material o things or something na kumbaga nag-i-spend ka ng pera na biglaan na wala dun sa plano mo. So, what is the Hermit card? The Fool card and the King of Wands. There's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. So, this is your moment na. So, ito yung pagbabago at magsisimula ka na panibagong chapter. So, what is the Ten of Wands? The Justice and the Four of Swords. There's an Ace of Cups and of course, there's a Six of Swords. There's a transition pagdating sa career and love life. Na magkakaroon ka ng new romance and new love team. Ay, tara, may love team. So, may bago magpapatibok sa puso mo. Parang natapos ka na sa obligations mo. It's time to take to yourself now. No? Parang sinasabi dito, self-love, self-care. No? Kailangan mo nang mahalin yung sarili mo at ipahinga mo na. So, what is the Chariot? The Two of Wands and the Page of Wands. There's an Eight of Pentacles. Dedication about sa trabaho. No? Kumbaga, talaga dahil sa dedikado mo sa trabaho, there's a good news coming in for you at moving forward. What is the Five of Cups? The Four of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, there is a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. No, parang natuto ka na sa lesson mo, sa nangyari sa'yo from the past, na hindi pala dapat sa okasyon, sa mga walang kabuluhang bagay mo, ini-spend yung pera. Mas maganda dun sa alam mong mag-i-invest ka for a long period of time. 'Di ba? Yung pangmatagalan. So, what is additional messages for the outcome? There's a Three of Pentacles, collaboration, teamwork, no? Kailangan mong magkaroon ng how to socialize. No, and of course, there's an Empress card, there's a rebirth. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng panibagong eksena or magbubuhay mo yung, kumbaga ngayon magkakaroon ka ng idea na magkaroon ng negosyo, trabaho, bago, or something na magbibigay sa, magkakaroon ng benefits sa'yo at the end of the time. Magkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga, investment, no? Kumbaga, baka may bubuksan ka negosyo at the same time, there's an higher pan, there's a lesson learned, there's an education from the past na ngayon parang inaano mo na ina-apply mo on your own. So what is additional messages? There's a judgment, there's a wake-up call. Parang ito na yung paggigising sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, ginigising ka na sa katotohanan na pagdating sa finances. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles sa power of the deck. Kumbaga, magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances sa'yo. So let's proceed for the Love Oracle card. For a love oracle card, let's see what is the messages for you. Na meron tayong bagong mga cards guys ha, meron tayong magkakaroon ng mga bagong cards. Kaya let's see and watch this para mas 'di ba? Mas malaman natin kung ano pa yung madagdagan yung messages sa'yo ng ating angel spirit. So let's see what is the passion. Sinasabi dito na kumbaga having fun, pero kailangan there's an information or there's way or there's a strategy. Mayroong panahon at may oras para magsaya. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, girl with a snake. Some of you may mga ahas or kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries, no? There's a toxic friend, toxic family, or something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng backstabbing, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na mag-ingat kayo, no? Sa mga taong traidor and of course, sa mga taong manggagamit. Ganon. So what is additional messages? This is a new card, guys. This is a Yin Yang Oracle cards. So let's see what is the messages for you. So before anything else, we need to do shuffle. So para at least mas pasabog at bulabog sa inyo. So maraming salamat sa pag-aantay sa mga reading natin, ha. And of course, comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asang man kayo ngayon para sa mga susunod na reading natin, team. Buhay mo na ang mahagilap at masagap ng ating energy. So, let's see. Give me a 1 card, 2 or 3, something na magbibigay sa kanya ng information. There's a renewal. So, sinasabi dito may pasabog na parang there's a spark, no? Or sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan, parang makikita mo na yung, this is your moment, no? Parang ito na yung time na pagbabago. There's a renewal, no? Kumbaga, panibagong eksena. At the same time, there's a change and courage, no? Parang ini-encourage ka dito na kailangan mo nang mabaguhin, no? Kailangan mo nang may mabago sa'yo. Kasi there's a cycle or kumbaga nangyayari sa buhay mo na same scenario, same cycle, same environment or same energy or parehas lang paulit-ulit. Ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, you need to take an action to change your belief, your perspective, at the same time your cycle, your sistema. Ganon. So let's see what is additional messages for energy. Oh my goodness. Naku, dumikit sa isang card natin yun. Yung candle. What is the energy? There's a temple path. There's a discoveries. Marami ka parang madidiscover sa buhay mo at sa sarili mo. At the same time, sinasabi sa ng angels dito na there's a 6 chakra archangel Metatron. There's a spark. And of course, there's a kuryente. Parang sinasabi, or energy. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a surprises coming in for you na magbibigay sa'yo ng renewal. No, discoveries. Discoveries, parang there's a surprises din. Parang marami ka pang malalaman. No? Additional messages. Angel spirit guides, there's a change. So there's a powerful changes coming in for you Pisces, na mangyayari this coming moment, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, may mangyayari sa iyong pagbabago dito. Sinasabi ng Archangel Michael, na babaguhin ka ng eksena, diba? So, what is the chakra? There's a rejection. Some of you, kumbaga, pag minsan talaga sa buhay natin, nare-reject tayo. Pero wag mong ikalungkot yon. It's a part of opportunities na inalis ka doon o hindi mo nakuha isang bagay na yon dahil hindi para sa'yo or para ialis ka sa mga bagay na ikasasama mo. And of course, there's a confusion. No? Parang may tao dito naguguluhin ka. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, or naguguluhan ka. Kailangan mong mag-ingat. So, what is Montology? Take time to breathe out. Na kailangan mong huminga. Ganun talaga minsan sa mga pinagdadaan natin sa buhay. Pero, kailangan din natin minsan, parang kumawala sa mundo. Ganon. And of course, a personal issues reaches resolution. Ibig sabihin, masusolusyonan na raw yung problema pinagdadaanan niyo, ha? So, ibig sabihin dito, kumapit ka lang daw. So, what is the angels' messages? There's an support by a guidance, no? Angels. Sinusuportan daw tayo ng angel spirit at ginagabayan, no? What is additional messages? And of course, there's an awful confident na kailangan magkaroon ka din daw ng confidence sa sarili mo na kaya mo lagpasan. Alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba mo. So, what is additional messages? Archangel Michael, positive thoughts create a positive outcome. So, kailangan laging positive lagi, ha? Deadma tayo sa negative. Hindi nakakaganda o nakakagwapo yun ng eksena. At the same time, focus upon divine perfect health. So, some of you guys, may mga nararamdaman no kailangan nyo mag-focus sa sarili nyo. Diba? What is additional messages? And there's a support. So, some of you, there's a support. Pray for clarification that support angels are helping you right now. And leadership, take charge of the situation. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang magmamanage sa sitwasyon mo kung asan ka man ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, binibigyan ka ng opportunity ni God para gawin yung part mo. No? What is the Montology? What is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angels? Finances and career. Finances and career, sinasabi sa'yo dito, financial issues are factor in your love life right now. Ibig sabihin, kasama daw sa relasyon nyo ngayon ang yung pagdating sa finances. No, kailangan yung pag-usapan yan. At the same time, deceptions. Someone is wearing a false self-mask in this relationship. Some of you parang nahihirapan ngayon, parang nag-pretend ka na kaya mo. No? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, collaborations is the key with your partner. Kailangan nyo mag-open up together at kailangan nyo mag-share, no? ng knowledge and of course ng thoughts. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Take there no thought for the morrow, shall thought for itself, the things itself. Ibig sabihin dito, yung kinabukasan, no, darating yan ng kusa. Wag mong antayin at wag mong, kumbaga, pangunahan. And of course, sinasabi dito, be a good comforter, your faith has made me well. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, may taong gagawin si God na maging instrumento or ikaw yung ginawang instrumento ni God at sinusubukan ang pananampalataya mo at tiwala mo kung paano ka bubuuin ang eksena niya. So, ibig sabihin dito, ikaw ang magsisilbing instrument ni God sa mga bagay-bagay at sinusubukan ka kung hanggang saan ang tiwala mo. At doon kanya bubuuin. What is the angel's number? There's a 777. I am in the flow. So, sumabay ka sa agos ng eksena. Diba? Your purpose flows from within you and everything that is unfolding or being revealed to you is a part of your purpose. A state of peace and calmness in your soul. Ibig sabihin dito, kumalma-kalma ka, at bigyan mo ng kapayapaan ng isip at puso mo. At sumabay ka sa agos, bagkos kailangan mo lang maging aware and conscious sa mga bagay na nangyayari, no? 7-7 signs na sinasabi sa dito na angels are supporting with you right now, na kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, sumabay ka lang sa eksena, no? Basta mag-ingat ka lang sa mga posibilidad. What is the messages of life? Attaining peace. Today, I turn within to find the source of experiences. There, I find the peace that comes riches I discover within myself has a greater value than all that wealth of the outside world. Step by step, I continue the spiritual guest. Little by little, I free myself rising ever higher and attaining true inner peace. So, ibig sabihin dito, bigyan mo ng kapayapaan yung sarili mo, no? Ang puso mo, no? And of course, makikita mo naman ang kahalagahan at makikita mo ang kapayapaan dyan sa paligid mo. No? Bigyan mo ng ways or bigyan mo ng flows yung mga nangyayari, no? Kumbaga, hayaan mo dumaloy siya with the nature. Huwag mo siyang i-force, huwag mong pilitin, huwag mong biglain o huwag mong madaliin. Hayaan mo siyang dumaloy sa sarili niyang eksena, no? Maging aware ka lang at maging conscious ka lang sa lahat na nangyayari. Yun lang ang magiging at sinasabi sa dito na kailangan mong kontrolin yung emotions mo, even your finances, no? So this is 7 Archangels urgent message for the sign of Pisces. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!